Hello friends, so today we are going to learn some important options on sheet. Okay, so this video is totally about the important options upon sheet. So let's get started. First of all, I have opened one blank workbook. So here I am going to show some sheet options. Okay, so first option is that there is only sheet one. If you want to add more sheets, then just you have to click plus sign. Okay, like this. So new sheets are added. Now, if you want to change position of seat, for example, seat 8 is here, seat 2 is here. So you want to change the position. Okay. So just click, drag and drop. See, seat 2 is now here. If seat 6 you want to take this side, you can move like this. So in this way, we can change position of our seats. In the same way, if you want to rename the seat, okay. So here is the name seat 1, this is seat 6. If you want to give any name to the seat, just click on the seat which you want to rename, sorry. Then just right click and here is one option rename. Okay. So any name, for example, I am giving name data. So in this way, the seat is named to data. Okay. If you want to, you can see one option is here. You go to left corner and do right click. You can see all of the seats here. Whichever you have created, all you can see here. For example, you have numerous seats. Okay, like this. So many seats are here. Okay, see. So many seats are here. So it will be uneasy to go to the seat to find out the seat. Okay, like this. If it will be on it will be uneasy. So what you do, just come to the left corner and right click. You can see all of the seats, whatever you have created, all the seats you can find here. So which seat you want to go? Just select and press OK. See, I am in seat 9 now. If you want to make copy or if you want to move seat, so you can do that. For example, this is seat 9. Just right click here and here is one option, move or copy. Just click here and here is one option, create a copy. The tick mark here and OK. So copy of that seat is created. Seat 9 2. Okay. Now you can give any name to this copy seat. Okay. For example, I gave uh, data 1. Okay. Like this. After making copy, you can give name to that seat. Now, if you want to give color to this seat tabs, just click which you want to change color and select and right click and here is one option tab color. Okay, like this. Which color you want to give, just choose any color which you want. This in this way we can give color to the sheets. Just right click and there is one option tab color and choose the color. Okay, like this. You can give color to the sheets. If you want to hide the seat, okay, so many seats are here. You want to hide some of them. So for example, seat 11, seat 13, I want to hide. Just right click and here is one option hide. Yes, seat 13 is hidden now. Okay. If you want to unhide, just right click and there is unhide option. Okay, it is unhidden. If you want to select all of the seats, okay, just right click here and there is one option select all seats. So if you do any kind of change, okay, for example, I wrote GGG like this, okay, I typed. So it is typed in all the seats, just you see. In all the seats, it is typed. So whatever change you bring in one seat, it gets changed in all the seats. Okay. So this is the benefit. If you want to do same thing in all the seats, just select all the seats and do changes. Whatever changes you do in particular seat, it will be changed in all the seats. Okay. Like this. If you want to cancel the selection, select any one sheet, it is cancelled. Okay, friends. So for today, this much only. In next video, I'll tell you some of the more tricks and tips about MS Excel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.